Hey there, folks. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to make a delicious and healthy recipe for you, chicken stir-fry. So, for our chicken stir-fry, you're going to need boneless, skinless chicken strips. I'm using chicken breast, your favorite vegetable. I've got bell peppers, broccoli, carrots, and snow peas. A delicious stir-fry sauce. I'll show you how to make this from scratch. Alright, let's get cooking. We'll start by stir-frying our chicken until it's beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Once that's done, we're going to set it aside and work on our veggies. And now, our homemade stir-fry sauce. It's the real secret behind this recipe. For the sauce you'll need soy sauce, sesame oil, minced garlic and ginger, chicken stock, cornstarch, brown sugar or honey, rice vinegar, red pepper flakes, optional, sriracha or chili garlic sauce, optional, sesame seeds, optional, green onions, optional. Mix it up and add it to the chicken and veggies. And there you have it, our chicken stir-fry is ready. I hope you enjoyed this chicken stir-fry recipe. Don't forget to like if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more delicious recipes.